How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. I'm your host, Jesse Morgan, aka Slammerella, and I'm back on my DIY shit again. I've got some pants here that haven't been worn for a while because I frankly just find them kind of boring. They're like a, a beigey gray, slightly blue tint in there. Very, you wouldn't be able to see it if I hold up the camera. You're not going to see it, but yeah, it's like a light beigey gray with a hint of blue. And they're, yeah, just frankly just really boring Tony Hawk, there you go, Hawk skate pants. And yeah, so what I'm going to do with these, you'll probably be able to guess, but I'm going to take some of this. There's not very much, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do both front and back. I might have to buy more tape, but I'm going to be going out in the next day or two anyway, so hopefully I'll have enough just to do the front. So yeah, I'm going to be doing some striping on it, sort of like how I did my steampunk pants. Maybe make it look a little bit more interesting. So yep, going to be putting some stripes with some blue spray paint that I don't need because I picked up the wrong color. I have picked up royal blue and satin lagoon blue for the boots, my Doc Martens. I ended up choosing satin lagoon for that, so now I have nothing to do with the old royal blue. So I figured let's spice up these old pants, do something different. And yeah, so I'm gonna tape off the front and see how that goes. At least stick around if you like these videos. Maybe you think they're cool how I spice up my clothing and do different things like that, or maybe you think they're just, I don't know, clown shoes, and you think that's ridiculous. Either way, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. All right, well, that took a bit, and I also ran out of the Scotch tape or painter's tape or whatever. I only had enough really to do the front, but here we go. Got it all taped off. So wherever you see the white painter's tape and green painter's tape, that's gonna be the color of the pants that shows through, and then where all the tape part, or that's what all the tape parts are going to be when that's revealed. And all of this is going to be royal blue, just like Jim Carrey says in Liar Liar, one of my favorite childhood movies. So yep, got it all taped off. Let's go spray paint this now. I guess I'll take you guys along. I don't know how I'm going to be able to film it though. All right, here we go. We're gonna spray these things. I don't know how well you can see this, but we're gonna spray it. So you want smooth, about 12-inch away strokes, and you don't want it really fast, and you want to do a little bit at a time. So here we go. All right, there. Pants are sprayed. Hopefully I have enough spray paint for the back once I get it taped off and get some more painter's tape for the back. But yeah, hopefully that turns out well. We'll find out in a bit. Okay, well, as you can see, got a new shirt on. Might be the second time I have a new shirt on this video because these pants, yeah, they've taken a while to actually spray paint because I had to go out and get some more painter's tape for this, and then so many retouch-ups had to be done with this thing. For whatever reason, the pants material is somewhere in between like a jean and corduroy. So there's like these ridges in it, like really small, but unless you spray directly on the pants, you really can't use the 12-inch away method. And it took quite a few resprays. I had to hold it up to the light and check it all over, and then respray the legs, the front, the back, the crotch area had to be done quite a bit because the lines of the tape just doesn't want to you know, crisscross right, and I didn't feel like doing a whole bunch of like scalpel artwork tracing and all that stuff. So the crotch area is probably going to be the weirdest part of the paint job, but if anyone's looking that closely at your crotch, there's a different set of problems possibly going on anyway. So let's get on to the unveiling of these pants. I'm going to strip away the painter's tape and we'll see how the striping went. Hopefully it looks good, and I'll just speed through this process probably because I'm sure you don't want to see me peeling paint off or painter's tape off. So here we go. The front's done. Let's do the back. All right, finally got done taking all the painter's tape off. Let's take this down and take a look at it. All right. Okay, so there's the front. Those are some long ass legs. Not terrible. And there's the back. The crotch isn't actually as messed up as I was expecting it to be. And yeah, so there we go. Did some striped pants. The line work is a little different in certain areas, but it adds to the DIY effect. And I like the blue stripes. Better than boring beige pants, that's for sure. So, yeah. For the amount of time that it took me to do this, they're not terrible. Some of the inner leg could be better, but I can't really complain because it's just DIY. There's the size leg on that side. There's the side of the leg on that side. So yeah, not too bad. So got some striped kind of beigey, gray and blue pants. Fun stuff. Anywho, that's the revealing of these. Hopefully you find this stuff interesting and I inspire you to, you know, customize your boring everyday clothes in some manner. And if you do any DIY stuff, you know, feel free to send me the link to your videos or channels in the comments below. Would love to see what stuff you're working on, whether it's custom paint jobs of your clothes or your vests or crust pants or anything really DIY. It's pretty cool to me, so feel free to throw that down in the comments. Anywho, that's it. This is going to be the outro for this video. For Glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slammerella out. DIY or die. Or don't end the video.